Hit the subscribe button and push the notification bell to get the latest updates from our channel Unbiased.
We all share photos on WhatsApp. Around 4.5 billion photos are shared every day. But WhatsApp reduces the size and the quality of the photos. But I have a solution for this. So make sure you see this video till the end so you know the solution for this. And if you are new to our channel, then please hit the subscribe button down there. As you can see from the above photos that they both are same, but their sizes are different and they both were sent via WhatsApp. So how did I do it? That's the question. It's very easy. Whenever you are sending any photos, don't send it as a photo. Send it as a document. First select send documents and then select the photo which you wanna send. After that the photo will be sent as a document without the reduction of photo quality and size. Also you can send videos of any size by this method. This surely works on Android but I haven't checked it on iOS. But I think it will work on iOS too. So thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel.